I'm standing in front of the Afrikaner Protestant Church here in Ventersdorp, where Eugene ter Blanche's funeral is due to take place at noon. Already his mourners and family are gathering, as well as men in camouflage and police by the dozens. Now, it's not certain whether I will be allowed into this church. It's preserved for whites only. They say that a certain amount of non-white journalists will be allowed in, but only time will tell. In the meantime, we're talking to people from all over, especially from the AWB. There's been a really big focus on Malema here.
Yes, definitely.
Do you think that's right?
Well, he's the main factor, but he's got his people above him.
Yes.
Like our president, we've got to look at him as well, because he can't have control on Malema. That's the main problem. If you could control him and chase him away, whatever, it'll be a different story. He's only a fox terrier doing the job for the government.
Malema is telling the people directly, the youngsters, kill a boer.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Kill a farmer.
Julius Malema drew a chalk line last weekend. And that chalk line is going to be crossed by whoever. Maar nou gaan ek in my eie taal voorgaan. Al hierdie mense hierso is hier vir Eugene ter Blanche, maar ons dink aan al die ander mense wat op plase vermoor was.
Dis die mense wat eintlik rassisties is. Ons die mense wat rassistiese liedjies sing en goeters. Ja. Hulle is die mense, ons word geblameer, ons rassisties, maar hulle sing die liede. Toe ek 9 jaar oud was, het ek ook my landslied gesing. Hoekom mag ek hom nie vandag sing? Hoekom mag ek hom nie sing?
En hulle name, ons het vir hulle name gekry. Dis deel van ons keuse. Hoe kan ons hulle dit noem nie? Maar hulle mag sing, maak ons dood, kill the boer, kill the farmer.
While ter Blanche's supporters insist on his status as a hero, to many he is still remembered as the white supremacist who abused the workers, who eventually turned on him and killed him. But the truth of the circumstances surrounding his death will only become clearer with time.